Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hashim Ali Khan here. Now I'm going to start the problems on material. Last video I have explained you in detail regarding the material. What are the techniques available for controlling the material cost, inventory control. So we have completed the theoretical part of the chapter material. So if you have not watched the previous video, please go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject cost accounting, and under cost accounting select the subject material. Definitely you can get a good command on the theoretical part of the topic material. Now I'm going to start the problems, but before starting the problem I expect my viewers to have a hard copy of the problems which I have provided in the link under my description. So go to the description, last line you'll find the link, get a copy and keep it ready before watching the video. So if you are new to my channel, first time if you are watching my channel, then go to the playlist, select your concerned subject. I have uploaded the many videos regarding the advanced accounting, financial accounting, corporate accounting, and business statistics, financial management, investment management. So many videos I have uploaded. So select your concerned subject, get a good command of the subject by watching the video till the end. Right? Come on, now I'm going to start the problem. See the first short problems on material. So first problem, information on material A is given below. Reordering quantity 180 units. Reordering period is 3 to 5 weeks. Reordering period is 3 to 5 weeks. 3 to 5 weeks. Next is maximum usage is 45 units per week. Minimum usage 15 units per week. Normal usage 30 units per week. Calculate the maximum level and minimum level. This is the first problem on finding out the levels, maximum level and minimum level. See, remember the formula. In the previous video, I have explained you in detail the formulae for maximum level, minimum level, reorder level, average stock level, all these formulas. So here, minimum level, maximum, two levels we have to find out. So before calculating maximum level and minimum level, first we have to calculate the reordering level. The formula for reordering level is maximum usage into maximum reorder period. This is the formula for reordering level. Once you get the reordering level, then you can easily find out the maximum stock level and minimum stock level. The data given in the problem, reorder quantity is given, that is 180 units, and reordering period is given 3 to 5 weeks. 3 to 5 means minimum 3 weeks, maximum 5 weeks. So what is the normal in between 3 and 5? 4 weeks average. So 3 plus 5 divided by 2 is 4 weeks. So we can say minimum reordering period is 3 weeks, maximum reordering period is 5 weeks, and the normal reordering period is 4 weeks. And maximum usage 45 units per week, minimum usage 15 units, and normal usage is 30 units per week. Now see the solution. Simply I am substituting in the formula reordering level, maximum level into maximum reorder period. You can see the problem, maximum usage is given 45 units and maximum reorder period is given 5 weeks. So 45 into 5, 225 units is the reordering level. Now we'll calculate maximum level. The formula for maximum level, reordering level plus reordering quantity. Reordering level plus reordering quantity minus normal usage, minimum usage into minimum reorder period. So reordering level just now we have calculated 225. Reordering quantity is given in the problem, first line 180 units. And minimum usage, it is given in the problem 15 units. And minimum reorder period 3 weeks. Now 225 plus 180, 405 minus 15 into 3, 45. 360 units is the maximum level. Now minimum level, the formula is reordering level minus normal usage into normal reorder period. The minimum reordering level already we have calculated 225. Reordering level 225 minus normal usage. Normal usage is given in the problem 30 units. And normal reorder period is 4 weeks. In the problem directly 4 weeks is not given. 3 to 5 is given. Minimum 3, maximum 5. So normal will come to 4 weeks. So 30 into 4, 120. So 105 units is the minimum level. This is the first problem, short problem on stock levels. First, we have calculated reordering level, then maximum stock level, then minimum stock level. That's it. Now, see the second problem. The components A and B are used as follows. Two components are there, A and B. Normal usage 50 units per week each. Minimum usage 25 units each. And maximum usage 75 units. So maximum, minimum and normal usage is given. Reorder quantity for A 300 units, for B component 500 units. Reorder period for A 2 to 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks and B 2 to 4 weeks. So we are given the reorder quantity and reorder period for both the components. Now calculate for each component reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, average stock level. For each component A and B, we have to calculate 4 levels. Reordering level, maximum stock level, minimum stock level and average stock level. Already you know the formula. First we'll take component A. Reorder level is equal to maximum usage into maximum reorder period. Maximum usage is given for both the components 75. Maximum usage into maximum reorder period for A component is 6 weeks. For A component given in the problem, 75 to 6, 450 units reordering level. Minimum level, reordering level minus normal usage into normal reorder period. So reordering level just now we have calculated 450 minus normal usage is given in the problem 50 weeks and normal reorder period is 5 weeks. Because 4 to 6 in the problem for A component it is given 4 to 6. So normal usage, normal period 5 weeks. So 450 minus 250, 200 units is the minimum level. Maximum level, reordering level plus reordering quantity minus minimum usage into minimum reorder period. So reordering level, how much is the reordering level? 450. Reordering quantity is given in the problem 300 units for A component minus minimum usage 25 units and minimum reorder period 4 weeks. So 450 plus 300, 750 minus 25 into 400, 650 units maximum level. Average stock level, minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity. The minimum level is 200. Here we have calculated 200 plus half of reorder quantity. For A component reorder quantity is 300 units. 300. So half of 300 is 150. So 350 units is the average stock level. We have calculated for component A. Similarly, we have to calculate for component B. Exactly same. Only values are slightly different. Reordering level, maximum usage is 75 units, same. Maximum reorder period is 4. 2 to 4 weeks is given for component B. Component B 2 to 4. So maximum 4 weeks, 300 units. Minimum level is equal to reorder level minus normal usage into normal reorder period. Reordering level is 300, just now we have calculated. Normal usage given in the problem 50 weeks. Normal reorder period is not given, we have calculated. 2 to 4 weeks, it is given 2 to 4, minimum 2, maximum 4. So 2 plus 4 divided by 2, you will get 3. 3 weeks is the normal reorder period. So 50 into 3, 150, 150 units is the minimum level. Now maximum level, reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum usage into minimum reorder period. So reorder level is 300, reorder quantity 500, minus minimum usage 25, minimum reorder period 2. So 300 plus 500, 800 minus 50, 750 units is the maximum level. Now average stock level. Average stock level, minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. Minimum level just now we have calculated 150 units. And half of reorder quantity. The reorder quantity for component B is 500. So 500 ka half 250. So total 400 units is the average stock level for component B. So we have completed two problems, two short problems on material. See the problem number 3. Third problem. A company uses raw material A for a product for which the following information is available. So we are given the information, reorder quantity is 10,000 kilogram. So quantity is given in kilogram. Usage per unit of product 10 kilogram. So per unit of production requires 10 kilogram of material. Delivery period means reorder period. So reorder period minimum 1 week, average 2 weeks and maximum 3 weeks. So all the three is given. So minimum period 1 week, maximum is 3 weeks and the normal reorder period is 2 weeks. Weekly production varies from 175 to 225 units, averaging 200 units. So here weekly production is given, but we need weekly usage. How much material we require? For making 1 unit of material, it is given 10 kilogram material is required. For making 1 unit, 10 kilogram. Here usage per unit is 10 kilogram. So how many units is the maximum production, minimum production it is given? Weekly production varies 175 to 225. The minimum production is 175 units, but we want in kilogram. So 175 units we require, each unit will require 10 kilogram. So we multiply 175 into 10, 1750 kilogram is the minimum usage. Maximum usage, so maximum production kitna hai? 225 units is the maximum production and each unit requires 10 kilogram. So 225 into 10, 2250 kilogram is the maximum usage, and normal usage it is given 200 units. So multiply 200 into 10, 2000 kilogram is the normal usage. You are required to calculate reorder level, maximum level, minimum level and average stock level. The only different point given in this problem is the usage is not given in kilogram. The usage depends on production. So production will vary. Minimum production, maximum production, normal production is given in units. So we multiply in units with 10 because every unit requires 10 kilogram of material. Per unit requires 10 kilogram. तो जितने भी यूनिट्स दिया उसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यूसेज आ जाएगा. दैट इज द ओनली न्यू पॉइंट वी आर गिवन इन द प्रॉब्लम. तो रीऑर्डर क्वांटिटी it is given 10,000 kilogram. Usage per unit is 10 kilogram. Reorder period minimum 1 week, maximum 3 week, average 2 weeks. That is given in the problem. Now minimum usage. Minimum usage is 175 units into 10 kilogram. क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम में मिनिमम प्रोडक्शन दिया, हमको प्रोडक्शन नहीं चाहिए, हमको यूसेज ऑफ मटेरियल चाहिए. वी नीड यूसेज ऑफ मटेरियल. सो फॉर मेकिंग 175 यूनिट्स हाउ मच मटेरियल वी रिक्वायर? For 1 unit, how much material? 10 kilogram. For 1 unit, 10 kilogram. So 175 into 10, 1750 kilogram is the minimum usage. Maximum usage is 225 units. So 225 units into 10 kilogram, 2250 kilogram is the maximum usage. And normal usage, the normal production is 200 units. 200 units is the normal production. तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 10, 2000 किलोग्राम is the normal usage. This is the only new point given in the problem. Production is given, but we need material. So multiply production in units into 10 kilogram. So we'll get the usage in kilogram. Now reorder level. Maximum level into maximum reorder period. So maximum usage into maximum reorder period. How much is the maximum usage? 2250 into maximum reorder period 3 weeks. So 2250 into 3 weeks, 6750 is the reorder level. That is the reorder level. Now maximum stock level. The formula is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum usage into minimum reorder period. So reorder level just now we have calculated 6750. Reorder quantity is given in the problem 10,000 kilogram minus minimum usage. How much is the minimum usage here? 1750. Into minimum reorder period. How much is the minimum reorder period? 1 week. So 6,750 plus 10,000, 16,750 minus 1,750, 15,000 kilogram is the maximum stock level. Now minimum stock level, reorder level minus normal usage into normal reorder period. Reordering level already we have calculated 6,750 minus normal usage 2,000 kilogram. Into normal reorder period 2 weeks. So 2000 into 2, 4000. 2750 is the minimum stock level. Average stock level is equal to minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity. So minimum stock level 2750 just now we have calculated, plus half of reorder quantity. The reorder quantity is 10,000. 10,000 kilogram is the reorder quantity. So half 5,000. So 7,750 is the average stock level. That's it. This is the end of problem number 3. Now see the problem number 4. The problem number 4 is regarding the EOQ, economic ordering quantity. First time we are applying the formula. Previous 3 problems we have calculated the stock levels. Find the economic ordering quantity. Remember, economic ordering quantity is that quantity at which the total inventory cost will be minimum, and the total inventory cost consists of carrying cost and ordering cost. दोनों balance रहना, दोनों minimum. Now, when the annual consumption is 1800 units, annual usage is 1800 units, price per unit 32 paisa, that means rupees 0.32. Then ordering cost 2 rupees per order, and the storage cost means carrying cost, is 25% of stock value. What happens if a different quantity is ordered? So first question, it is asking you to calculate EOQ. Secondly, it is asking you what will happen if a different quantity is ordered other than EOQ. That I'll explain you. First of all, I'll calculate the EOQ, economic ordering quantity. This is the first problem on EOQ. See here, economic ordering quantity, symbol is EOQ. The formula is 2CO by I under root, where C is equal to annual usage. Given in the problem, annual usage is 1800 units. O stands for ordering cost per order. It is given in the problem 2 rupees per order. And I is equal to carrying cost per unit per annum. Carrying cost per unit per annum. So it is given that carrying cost or storage cost is 25%. तो जितना भी गोडाउन में रख रहे हैं उसका 25% स्टोरेज कॉस्ट है. तो हियर वी नीड पर यूनिट. द पर यूनिट कॉस्ट इज 32 पैसा, और वी कैन से रुपीज 0.32. 32 पैसा बोलिए और रुपीज 0.32 मीन्स सेम. तो 25% ऑफ रुपीज 0.32, इट कम्स टू 0.08. 0.08. This is the I, carrying cost per unit per annum. Now we substitute in the formula. EOQ is equal to 2 into 1800 into 2. Here 1800 is the C and O is 2. Divide by I, 0.08 under root. So ultimately if you multiply 2 into 1800 into 2 divided by 0.08 under root, so after root you are getting 300 units. That means EOQ is 300 units. What does it mean? When the company gives the order, it should place the order for 300 units only. If the ordering quantity is 300 units, the total inventory cost will be minimum. Otherwise, what will happen if a quantity other than 300 units, whether it is more than 300 or less than 300, the total inventory cost will increase. So it is asking you in the problem, what will happen if other quantity is ordered? Now I am explaining you, if other than 300 units are ordered at a time, whether it is more than 300 or less than 300, the total inventory cost will increase. When total inventory cost increases, the material cost will increase. That is the consequence. That's all. This is the end of problem number 4. Now see the problem number 5. A manufacturer buys certain equipment from outside supplier at 30 rupees per unit. The cost per unit 30 rupees. The total annual needs are 800 units. Total annual needs का मतलब usage, annual consumption, annual usage 300 units. 800 units. The following further data are available. Annual return on investment 10%. Annual return on investment 10%. When we purchase one unit, we have to spend 30 rupees investment. अगर एक यूनिट परचेस कर रहे हैं तो हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट 30 रुपीज लग रहा है, और वो 30 रुपीज के ऊपर हमको रिटर्न चाहिए, बिकॉज वी हैव टू मेक द पेमेंट टू द सप्लायर ऑफ फंड्स. वी हैव टू मेक द पेमेंट टू द सप्लायर ऑफ फंड्स. तो हाउ मच इज द रेट ऑफ रिटर्न? वी हैव टू मेक द पेमेंट 10%. तो अगर 30 रुपीज का इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं तो 10% ऑफ 30 रुपीज 3 रुपीज वी वांट द रिटर्न, बिकॉज दिस रिटर्न वी हैव टू मेक द पेमेंट टू द सप्लायर ऑफ फंड्स. सपोज हम बैंक से लोन लेकर इन्वेंट्री परचेस कर रहे हैं और इन्वेंट्रीज को गोडाउन में रख रहे हैं, तो जो भी रिटर्न रहेगा वो हमको पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड द कैरिंग कॉस्ट. तो 10% ऑफ 30 रुपीज 3 रुपीज इज द स्टोरेज कॉस्ट और कैरिंग कॉस्ट पर यूनिट. Apart from that, apart from 3 rupees, rent, insurance, taxes per unit per year 1 rupee. तो रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट जो चाहिए वो 3 रुपीज चाहिए और 1 रुपी इज द रेंट, इंश्योरेंस, टैक्सेस पर यूनिट पर एनम. तो टोटल पर यूनिट पर एनम कॉस्ट विल बी 4 rupees. 3 rupees plus 1 rupee. Then cost of placing an order. This is the ordering cost. Ordering cost is 100 rupees. Determine the economic ordering quantity, EOQ we have to calculate. See here. EOQ. 2CO by I under root. C is equal to 800 units. Given in the problem annual needs. O is equal to ordering cost. Given in the problem 100 rupees per order. I is equal to carrying cost per unit per annum. एक यूनिट को एक साल अगर गोडाउन में रखे, स्टोर्स में रखे, तो कितना कॉस्ट लग रहा है. वी आर परचेजिंग पर यूनिट 30 रुपीज. वी आर मेकिंग द इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर परचेजिंग 1 यूनिट 30 रुपीज. अब वो इन्वेस्टमेंट के ऊपर हमको रिटर्न चाहिए 10%. तो 10% ऑफ 30 रुपीज 3 रुपीज. तो 10% ऑफ 30 3 रुपीज प्लस 1 रुपी इज द रेंट, टैक्सेस, इंश्योरेंस 1 रुपी पर यूनिट पर एनम. तो 3 rupees plus 1 rupee, 4 rupees is the I. Now EOQ is equal to 2CO by I under root 2 into 800 into 100 divided by 4 under root 200 units is the EOQ. Economic ordering quantity is 200 units. So totally 5 short problems we have completed. So if you are satisfied about my lecture, give a like. Subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, share it in your groups, and don't forget to give the comment how you feel after listening the lecture.